if you have watched the Avengers series, then this question must have come into your mind, that how these fighting scenes were being shot. And if you go even further, every fan of the Game of Thrones was left amazed seeing these dragons blowing fire from their mouth, and burning the whole army of the opponent. There is no doubt that they are not real, but how were they actually being created?
If the Mad King's daughter takes the Iron Throne,
You have a good claim.
Moving on. We all are fans of Harry Potter, grew up watching Harry Potter flying in the air and showing magic. But how was he actually doing it? Well, there is only one thing that could make it possible, and that is chroma key, also commonly known as green screen. From Harry Potter's flying scene to Game of Thrones dragon was created using chroma key. Avengers fighting scenes were also shot in a close environment using a green screen in the background. And if you're interested in learning about how to remove green screen from the background and put whatever you want, then do watch this till the end and you will learn something new today. Before we move on, do not forget to subscribe to the channel so we create more content like this. Now, after opening the Premiere Pro, import the footage you want to edit. First, drag and drop the video with a green screen on the timeline. In this case, I am using PNG files that I will animate. But there is no need to worry. After this, I will also show you how to edit a video with a green background. I advise you not to miss that. Let's get back to the first clip. We will adjust the size and position it in the middle. Now import the clip that I will replace it with. Put it under the first clip, so when we remove the green screen, it will automatically take its place. Adjust the size and make sure it fits the screen perfectly. You can see everything is ready for the final edit. Go to the Effect tab and search Ultra Key. Drag and drop it on the clip with the green screen. Select the clip and go to the setting. Scroll down to the bottom. Here are all the settings of the Ultra Key feature. For now, we will clip on this color picker in front of the Key Color tab. Now click on the color you want to remove. In this case, it is green color. When we do that, boom, it got disappear and the background layer replaced it. I will animate this and show you at the end of this video. Now let's go to our next section, where we will be removing a green screen from the background of the video clip. Repeat the procedure. Drag and drop the Ultra Key effect on the front layer, and then select the color by using the color picker tool. You can see the background is changed, but it does not look realistic. To make it look better, we will play a little with the setting. Here in this drop-down section, multiple options will help us merge both layers more in a refined way. See, it looks better. You can do the same by following these simple steps. Before I show you what I have created at the end, do like, share, and subscribe to the channel, because that's all we want in return. If you want us to make a video on any topic, do tell us in the comment section and we will surely try to make it for you. Now I leave you to the outro. See you in the next video.